नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। I welcome all of you in today's practical session of case taking. In today's session, we are going to discuss aphorism 97. What Hahnemann has given the guidelines about taking the case. So, in 97 aphorism, other individuals of an opposite character. Now, in aphorism 96, Dr. Hahnemann said about patients of hypochondriacs, how we can deal such patients. Okay, in 97 aphorism, the character of patients are totally opposite, however partly from indolence, partly from false modesty, partly from a kind of mildness of disposition or weakness of mind, refrain from mentioning a number of their symptoms, describe them in vague terms, or allege some of them to be of no consequence. So, in this aphorism, the patients belong in the group of indolence, false modesty, partly from a kind of mildness of disposition or weakness of mind, refrain from mentioning a number of their symptoms. In hypochondriacs, patients exaggerated their problems, but in this category, indolency, false modesty, mildness of disposition, weakness of mind, they refrain himself from mentioning the symptoms. So, in this category, physician have only few symptoms due to the indolence, describe them in vague term, and they did not describe their symptoms in a perfect order, in a perfect manner. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.